Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about our final two number properties, which together are called the identity properties. So we'll try to remember them that way. So let me direct your attention down to boop, 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 boop. I have here a function machine, and on the right hand side you'll see that I have an input and an output. So I want you to notice what do you think is going on inside of my function machine. Remember, a function machine has a certain rule. Whatever you put into it, it's going to follow that rule, apply it to our number that we put in, and then it's going to spit out a new number. So let's see what's going on here. Our first number I'll put in, I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 in. Beep, boop, beep, boop. It's going to process our number, and out we get a 1. So our first input and our output goes there. Okay, let's try a new one. Maybe we can surmise our rule here. Let's try maybe an 8. We put in an 8 to our function machine. It goes through, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. And sure enough, out pops an 8. All right, something fishy is going on here. Let's try one more and see if we can surmise what the rule is. Let's try 172. That'll tell us. We put 172 in the machine. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Aha. Now I know what our rule must be, right? It's got to be times 1. Or is it? There are actually two rules that could work for our function machine. Times 1 is one possibility. If our input is multiplied times 1, it will have an output of 1. As you can see, 8 times 1 will be 8. 172 times 1 is 172. But there's actually another option. Can you think of what it is? You got it. It's also plus 0. Plus 0. If I add nothing to my input, I will get the same output. If I add nothing to 8, I will get 8. Both of these rules will return the exact same input as our output. That's why they're called identity. Identity means self, oneself. Therefore, if we're talking about a 1, we're going to get ourself as an output. Okay? Together, these are called identity properties, or specifically, the top one, times 1, is called the multiplication property of 1. Now, that's a long name for something so simple. The bottom one, plus 0, is called the addition property of 0. Again, a long and unnecessary name. But together, we can know them as identity properties. Okay? All right, hope that makes sense.